formula and so the question is calculate the amount of electrical energy consumption for a month of 30 days in household. So we have to calculate the electricity bill in household for 30 days. So here are some appliances are used are given below. So the first appliance is 560 watt bulb for 6 hours. So here quantity is 5 and the watts are 60 and the hours are 6 hours. And the days are 30. So we have to multiply all of this. I am using the Casio to solve this part. 5 into 60 into 6 into 30. 600 watts. So we have to convert this into kilowatt hour. So 54 kilowatt hour. Second appliance is 1000 watt heater for 2 hours. So quantity is 2 and the watts are 1000 and the hours are 2 and the days is 30. So 1,20,000. So here we want to convert it with kilowatt hour. So 120 kilowatt hour. So the third appliance is 100 watt refrigerator for 24 hours. Here watts are 100 and the hours are 24 and the days are 30. Here there is no quantity, so you have to write 1. So 72 kilowatt hour. The fourth appliance are 1100 watts microwave oven for 3 hours. The watts are 1100 and the hours are 3 hours and the days are 30. So here there is no quantity, so we have to write 1. So 99,000. Kilowatt hour. So we have to add all of this for units. 54 plus 120 plus 70 plus 99. That equals to 390 units. So from the above question, the cost of first 200 units is 2.4 rupees. So 390. We have to write this 200 plus 190. So from the above question, the cost of first 200 units is 2.4 rupees. So we have to write 200 into 2.4. So we have to multiply these. 480 rupees. And the next 200 units is 3.9 rupees. So 190 into 3.9. 741 rupees. So add these two. 1,221 rupees. So for the given question, 1221 is the electricity bill for 1 month in household.